Now I'm going to toss it back over to Dean Brown as she talks about our residence hall.
Hey, I'm here to talk to you about your living on campus, your living areas. We have a variety of living options here on campus, from Douglas Hall, Delta Housing Complex, Delta Annex, Harrell Complex, Hunt Hall, Johnny B. Johnson, also JBJ Hall, and Lewis Hall. Of our campus dining, how many of you all can get Chick-fil-A every day?
Yes.
Starbucks, and also our premier dining halls on campus, the L.A. Davis Dining Hall, as well as JBJ, which comprise of Pizza Hut, as well as a pod market that we have on campus as well, too. The Delta Dining Hall also is one of our dining options as well. Right. Welcome week, welcome week. Campus life is so vital to your student experience here on campus. Our office and many office doors are the doormat of the fun activities. So a list we have from movie nights, talent shows, game nights. These are small samples of what we've done and what we continue to prepare for you when you join our campus, or as you enter our campus as well. We have a plethora of speaker series, leadership development, paint and chill, and many, many more. And we're going to now show you a snapshot, of what we have done in the past. Where our organizations kind of get together and just enjoy one another, have food, prizes, games, rides, rock climbing, and more. You see the fun.
Yeah.
It's here for you. Our organizations also always welcomes you with exciting smiles and opportunities. Our fraternities and sororities and all of our organizations have always assisted with move-in to welcome you. And we know that's going to look a little different this year. Dr. Eric Thomas, one of our dynamic speakers, #1 motivational speaker for success, has entered our campus and done a phenomenal job as well, too. As you all can see, we have our comedians, DC Young Fly, whether they have hosted Greek shows, step shows, or just comedians on campus. Hey, we got it. You asked for it, and we definitely will bring it. Now, how many of you all know who YFN Lucci, Meg Thee Stallion, and all these many, many more artists? We have them on our campus. Honestly, we bring them all, and we love it. MC Light, a major, major player on this campus who just graced our campus with poise and knowledge and just got the students engaged. And as you all can see in the background, we have the #1 DJ. DJ Bruce. Rev Run. How many of y'all know Run's house, Run DMC? Rev Run has blessed our campus as well as a welcome week speaker. And also there's a familiar face. The marching musical machine of the Mid-South. And also you see Reverend Kirk Franklin. Kirk Franklin was here on campus, and you see he enjoyed our students. And also our forever First Lady, Dr. Michelle Obama, was an amazing commencement speaker. We thank her and we appreciate her presence as well, too. So as you can see, we have a phenomenal programming and events here on campus, just waiting for you to come. So want to call us, have more questions? Call us, 870-337-2063. Better yet, you're up middle of the night, you want to email? Email. Get involved at uapb.edu, and we'll be sure to provide those answers to your questions.